If you're looking for a fast and effective way to monitor task completion in Process.st, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track your tasks in Process.st so you can stay on top of your team's progress and ensure things are getting done efficiently. Stick around because I'm also going to reveal how you can try this software for free with some exclusive bonuses, so make sure you don't miss that. Process.st is a powerful tool for workflow management, and it makes task tracking easier than ever. When you're working with a team, staying updated on task completion is crucial, and Process.st gives you multiple ways to track exactly that. One of the easiest ways to do this is through the task list view. This view lets you see all your tasks in one place, showing you which ones are completed, which are in progress, and which are still waiting to be started. It's a great way to get a quick snapshot of your team's productivity. As you work through tasks, each one gets marked with a check once it's done. This may seem simple, but it's incredibly effective in keeping track of where each task stands. If you need to see detailed information about each task, you can click on the task name to get more insights, such as who's assigned to it, when it was started, and when it's expected to be completed. This can be especially helpful if you're managing multiple workflows at once. Another great feature is the ability to set due dates and track progress through visual cues like progress bars. If you have recurring tasks or processes that are dependent on others, you'll want to make use of these to ensure everything is moving along smoothly. Setting clear deadlines for each task helps ensure accountability, while the progress bars make it visually obvious how much work remains. For those of you managing large teams, Process.st offers team collaboration features that allow you to see who's working on which task and how close they are to completion. You can assign tasks to specific people and monitor their progress through the dashboard. This also helps reduce any confusion about who's responsible for what. Plus, the real-time updates mean you'll never be in the dark about your team's progress. For even deeper tracking, Process.st lets you set up automated workflows that trigger actions based on task completion. For example, once one task is marked as complete, the next task in the sequence automatically appears on your team's list. This way, you're not manually managing task handoffs, and everything stays organized. Now, let's talk about reports. You can create custom reports to give you detailed insights into task completion rates, bottlenecks, and areas where your team might be slowing down. These reports help you take action and optimize your workflows to keep things moving smoothly. Whether it's looking at overall task completion stats or diving into individual team members' progress, reports give you a clear picture of what's working and what needs attention. Finally, don't forget to check out Process.st's powerful integrations. You can connect it to other tools you use, such as Google Drive, Slack, and more, to streamline your workflows even further. Having everything integrated into one platform makes monitoring task completion that much easier. If you want to start using Process.st for your team, you can get started for free with an exclusive trial using the first link in the description below. This will give you full access to the features you need to monitor task completion, plus some extra bonuses. This means you can jump right into using Process.st to boost your workflow without any upfront commitment. So don't wait. Get your free trial now and start tracking your tasks like a pro. Whether you're working solo or leading a large team, Process.st has the tools you need to stay on top of everything and make sure your tasks are completed efficiently.